The Bermuda Triangle myths have just received a fascinating reality check, and you might be shocked. For decades, ships, planes, and people have mysteriously vanished in this infamous zone, captivating imaginations worldwide. Experts have rigorously tested these bizarre theories, unveiling astonishing truths about the triangle's mysterious reputation. Surprisingly, science reveals natural phenomena like rogue waves, unpredictable weather, and human error as culprits. The allure of aliens and underwater portals fades away when confronted with evidence-based explanations from researchers. While dangers do exist in this region, it's far less mystical than popular culture suggests. What secrets remain within this enigmatic area? The battle between myth and reality continues to intrigue us. Are you eager to challenge your understanding? Brightside invites you to explore our trivia quiz. With over 2,000 questions and exciting game modes, this quiz will keep your mind sharp and entertained. Don't miss out on the chance to discover knowledge that empowers, and have fun in the process.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.